Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 16th chapter, that is the importance of water. In the previous video, yesterday we have discussed about that what is that drafts and effects of drafts. But students, today we are going to discuss about that. This is one digesters of water like a flood. Okay, same students, I told already in the previous video, excess of water or scarcity of water, that means if the deficiency of water also we are facing a digesters like a what is that drought, and excess of water, that means if more water is there, rainwater, then we will face that problems like digesters, that is called as a flood. Okay, so students, whenever that rains, whenever the rains will for a long days, for long periods, it will be continuous rain there, then all over the surface, all over the land, a large amount of water will be stored or be present in that surface. So by that way, what will happen? They will be face that living and living organisms like plants and animals, they will face a lot of problems. Okay, and if it will be affect also agricultural field, it will affect to that transportation, it will be affect to that traffic control, it will be affect to that our movement, locomotions, and so many way. Also, it so many fact it is affecting, and especially if it will be affected to that deforestation, it will be deforestation. It will work because of the loss of the soils. Because whenever the heavy rains will come, that waters will wash out the surface of the soil, and due to that, what will happen? The plants cannot stand properly. Then it will be uproots. So by that way, that deforestation will be causes, and ecobalance, ecosystems, all it will be imbalance and it will be affected by this. So let us discuss about that, how it is affecting, what are the main points or main effects we will discuss in this video. So look at here students, the accumulation of water due to the heavy and continuous rain for a long period of time is called flood. That means when that water we are getting heavy rain there and continuously for a long days, then it is called as a flood, and affects by the floods. Flood, how is that, what are the effects we will discuss in this video. So first point is rapidly running water washes away the top layer of the soil, which leads the soil erosion. Whenever that it will be long days for that water, it will come, then if that upper portion that water is there, then it will go to that down. So at that time what will happen? With heavy rain is there, means more water will flow or more water will wash out the soil, the surface of that soil. Then whenever that water will flow or that it will wash out the soil, then what will happen? The plants of fruit will become, they cannot stand, they cannot hold that soil. So that's why that plants will held down, or especially it is called as also what is that soil erosion. One place that soil will move to other place, so it will be create as a soil erosion. Okay. Second things, if water rushed into the fields and go down, it destroy. It destroys the crops and the stored food materials. Suppose if continuously long days for that, if rain is there, what will happen? The go down means storage of the crops, and where we are storing that after that harvesting, we are all that crops we are keeping on places, that is a storeroom like. So that is called as go down, and that go down inside, that water will be enter also, and it will be damage that all that crops and what are the materials are there inside, so it will be damaged. Or if in the field or in that your agriculture near the field, if you had kept, then if heavy rain is there, then we cannot place or we cannot do anything. So by that way, it will be all that crops and materials, it will be damaged. Okay. Next, it leads to acute shortage of the food, cleaning, drinking water, etc. And main important things, students, you know that we are that consuming that water. Every day for 4 liters for one person can drink water. So by that way, we need that very fresh water, that is consumption for water we need. But what will happen when the heavy rains will come? That all water will be polluted. So all water will mix with others, where we cannot drink, and pure water we cannot get. So that's why what will happen? There are so many effects will come, and especially we won't get. And another one things what will happen, when that crops field or agricultural field, if that crops is going to harvest, at that time if rain will come, then what will happen? So it will be make the it will be damage that all crops. Whenever all crops it will damage, then that next for that what will happen, the shortage of the food it will occur. Okay. Next point, students, heavy rains and sudden rush of water of carry away human beings, their houses, other villain and domestic animals, and they can cause death by drowning. If that heavy rains are there, what will happen? If there are some houses, domestic animals houses, then they will run and they will be to try to save it their lives, and they cannot stay in that outside. So if that houses also what are that made by that like a mud and clay and that not thatched buildings, then it will be collapsed, and that lives also it will be lost. During the heavy rains, there are increasing of the chances of various kinds of infectious disease like diarrhea and malaria, etc. When that heavy rains is there, everywhere waters are there, the insects like infectious disease, that means malaria, diarrhea. So by that, which one is there? Mosquitoes it will be transferred, and by drinking water, if it will be infectious water, that is we will face that lot of problems. Okay, by that drinking the waters or whenever that mosquitoes will go and it will be injected to us, then also malaria, because of the increase of mosquitoes or insects will be increases. By that heavy rains or that long periods, if that water will be stay or stagnant in a place, because that drainage, when that our that municipality drains or in house near that drains are not cleared, that all water will be blocked in that position, then what will happen? There it will be increase that our what insect is, that means insects it will be increases. Due to that we will face so many diseases. Many aquatic animals are carried away by strong water currents and are driven of their habitats. And whenever that more waters will come, and those who are living in that river or ponds or what is that, then their house, their habitats where they are living, that it will be damaged, and they will be carried out, and they will pass out from that place, and they will lose their habitats, and they will face the problems. Floods for a long period of time delay the traffic, disturb the drainage systems. So what will happen if that long days for that rain is there? Then what will happen? The current electricity cannot come, and their traffic also it will face the problems. If water more is there, then transportation also it will be faced, and we cannot do proper transportation. Okay, and a collapse of the houses, buildings.